Empowering future leaders with venture building and strategy execution tools. Made by Go.Lofty team. Welcome to Go.Lofty Academy. We've interviewed over 50 venture capitalists and private equity investors to understand exactly what they look for in early-stage pitch decks. In this tutorial, we'll walk through the 19 most critical slides every founder should include to win funding. If you're serious about fundraising and building something meaningful, subscribe now for more strategic content, startup frameworks, and execution playbooks. Start strong. Show your logo and your elevator pitch in one sentence. Use a refined positioning statement. For example, at XY Tech, we help small clinics automate insurance billing faster than any existing solution by using predictive AI workflows. Your logo should reflect brand maturity, and your sentence should highlight who you help, what you solve, and why it's unique. Define the pain point with clarity. Show the gap, inefficiency, or lost opportunity your market faces. Use short user stories or statistics. Show urgency and scale. Why this problem matters now. Highlight how this problem is currently being handled, if at all, and why those methods are insufficient. Include a quote or data point from a customer or industry report to humanize the issue. Explain the cost of inaction, lost revenue, wasted time, legal risk, or customer churn. You can even use a short table comparing today versus ideal future to visualize the pain. Remember, if you don't make the problem painfully clear, the solution won't feel compelling. Investors want to know, is this big enough? Break it down into TAM, total addressable market, SAM, serviceable available market, and SOM, your obtainable slice. Visuals like nested circles or bar graphs make this easier to digest. Use credible sources for each market size estimate and make your assumptions transparent. Include growth rates, market tailwinds, or timing trends. Investors don't just want a big market, they want a growing one. Why are you the team to solve this? Go beyond resumes. Show founder market fit, lived experience, industry knowledge, previous startups. Investors back the jockey more than the horse. Mention your founding story, why this problem matters to you. Highlight key advisors or strategic hires. Use LinkedIn-style visuals if necessary. Bonus if your team has built something related before or failed forward in a past venture. Introduce your product. Describe how it directly addresses the problem. Bonus points if you show initial traction or usage. Keep it focused on benefits, not just features. Show alignment with slide 2. Use screenshots or a short GIF of the product. Clarify the user journey, who uses it, how often, and what results they get. Investors want to feel the aha moment as clearly as your customer does. Define your ideal customer profiles. Who do you serve best? What's their job title, size of company, industry, budget? Tailored messaging and segmentation show go-to-market maturity. Consider splitting this into primary and secondary segments. Use actual personas if available. Highlight how this data is driving your early sales and marketing focus. Bonus if you can mention how you're sourcing or converting these segments. Why now? Show trends, data, policy shifts, or competitive gaps. Make it clear you're not early, not late, just right. Use third-party stats or early adopter quotes. Reference macroeconomic, technological, regulatory, or behavioral changes that support timing. Use charts, headlines, or cohort behavior. This helps reduce perceived risk and creates urgency. How do you make money? Show clarity here. One-time, subscription, usage-based, tiered, B2B versus B2C. Mention LTV, CAC, gross margin expectations. Keep it simple, but precise. Use a pricing table or revenue flow diagram. Highlight how the business scales with minimal cost. Discuss any marketplace dynamics, licensing opportunities, or upsell, cross-sell levers. Use the value chain logic. Where do you insert value? Do you save time, reduce cost, or increase revenue? Frame the slide from the user's perspective. What's in it for me? Tie this back to customer priorities. Include short testimonials or quantified results if possible. Use a headline and 3 bullets max. Clarity wins. Highlight your awareness. It's okay to have weaknesses, as long as you have a mitigation plan. Don't skip threats. They show you understand the battlefield. Consider overlaying your SWOT with strategic initiatives. Investors want transparency, but they also want to see you're proactive. Show a high-level diagram or workflow of how the product functions. Keep it simple, but intelligent. Investors love clean architecture and intuitive logic. Explain how components connect and data flows. Clarify user entry points and automation triggers. Emphasize modularity or scalability if relevant. Mention core technologies. Show security and scalability. If you're in fintech, health tech, edtech, or govtech, make compliance visible. SOC 2, HIPAA, GDPR, etc. Include hosting, front-end, back-end, and any third-party integrations. This builds trust in your execution capacity. Be crisp about pricing and revenue sources. Will you upsell, cross-sell, white label, or license IP? Mention channels and conversion paths. Include your go-to-market channels and CAC by channel, if available. Emphasize repeatability and growth levers. Break it down into horizons. Horizon 1, beachhead market. Horizon 2, expansion features or adjacent verticals. Horizon 3, platform or category leadership. Show your vision step by step. Include gating factors like hiring, compliance, or infrastructure maturity. Show what needs to be true to move to the next stage. Use a matrix. Map competitors by feature depth, price, or target customer. Show where you're positioned differently, but don't say no competition. Explain the strengths of incumbents, but focus on how you wedge into the market or leapfrog them with innovation. Table format, keep it clean. Highlight where you win clearly. UX, speed, integration, support, accuracy, or compliance. Use icons or green check marks sparingly. Add social proof or rewards if available. Spell out your secret sauce. What can't be copied easily? Community, network effect, data moat, UX. These are your long-term moats. Use numbered bullets or a bold grid layout. Keep it memorable. Show what's coming in 12-24 months. Split it into product tech, GTM, finance team. Include specific milestones and KPIs. Use a timeline or quarterly structure. Link roadmap steps to fundraising needs. Where are you today? MVP ready, beta launched, LOIs signed. Show traction, not just vision. Include early wins, testimonials, or grant funding. Use logos, bar charts, or growth curves if you can. Make traction feel tangible. Every slide in your pitch deck should work like a chapter in a story. Make it structured, visual, and investor-oriented. If this tutorial helped you clarify your deck, give us a like, subscribe to Go Lofty Academy, and check out our startup toolkits to download templates and guides. We're here to support your journey from deck to funding. Thank you for watching. Visit golofty.io for more.